What's up YouTubers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and today we're going to repair this sofa that's had extensive damage to it. If you can see there, I believe it's spillages and what have you which get into the leather over time and start to make it look a little bit shabby. Not too bad over there, but you can see that these bits here are actually quite bad, so we need to treat these and obviously rub them down, get them smooth. If you look at it here, there's a little bit sort of peeling started, so we'll have to conquer that as well. And also at the back there you can see that it's coming off quite bad here as well, so get this all rubbed down, get a good recolour, and we should get this pretty much back to where it was. So that's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and I'll show you the job when it's finished. Bye for now.